You can't build something real with someone you don't understand. And yet, that's exactly what most men do. They jump into relationships blind, giving time, money, energy, even their identity, without ever stopping to ask, who is she really? What drives her? What does she actually respond to? And then one day, it all falls apart. No warning, no explanation that makes sense. Just confusion. So today, let's talk about something most people avoid. Not to attack women, not to blame men, but to understand the dynamics that quietly shape modern relationships. Because once you see these patterns clearly, you stop getting played, drained, or replaced. Let's get into it. 1. Effort alone doesn't create attraction. A lot of men believe love is built through sacrifice. If I give more, she'll appreciate me more. Sounds logical, but attraction doesn't work like that. You can show up every day, support her, care for her, and still feel like it's never quite enough. Why? Because attraction lives in the present. It's not a scoreboard of everything you've done. It's about how she feels right now when she's with you. That doesn't make women ungrateful. It means attraction is emotional, not transactional. So the real question is, are you trying to earn love? Or are you building a life that naturally attracts it? 2. Emotional distance happens before physical distance. Most breakups don't start with someone new. They start with emotional drift, less connection, less excitement, less presence. And here's the part many men miss. By the time you notice something's off, she may have already started disconnecting internally. It's not always about cheating. Sometimes it's attention from others. Sometimes it's validation online. Sometimes it's just feeling unseen. The danger isn't betrayal, it's unawareness. If you ignore the small changes, one day they won't be small anymore. 3. Stability is comfortable, but excitement creates desire. This one hits hard. Being a good, reliable, respectful man is important, but it's not the same as being exciting. And attraction needs both. If everything becomes predictable, same energy, same responses, same routine, the relationship can start to feel flat. Not because you're doing something wrong, but because there's no emotional spark. The goal isn't to become toxic or chaotic. It's to stay grounded in yourself while still bringing energy, growth, and unpredictability into your life. Because people are drawn to what feels alive. 4. Desire is deeper than most men realize. A lot of men think they're the ones who want intimacy more. That's not always true. Desire isn't about gender. It's about connection, attraction, and emotional safety. When a woman feels genuinely drawn to you, mentally, emotionally, physically, her level of desire can be intense. The difference? She's selective about who unlocks that side of her. So instead of asking, why isn't she more affectionate? Ask yourself, does she feel deeply attracted or just comfortable? Because those are two very different things. 5. Attraction is influenced by the outside world. Here's something many men overlook. Attraction isn't just personal, it's also social. How you carry yourself, how others perceive you, the respect you command in your environment. It all matters, because people don't exist in isolation. If you're confident, respected, and moving with purpose, it naturally elevates how she sees you. Not because she's superficial, but because social proof reinforces attraction. So the question becomes, are you building a life you're proud of, or just trying to be enough for one person? 6. People keep options when they feel uncertain. This isn't just about women. It's human nature. When someone isn't fully secure in a relationship, they often keep emotional backup plans. not always intentionally, not always maliciously, but as a form of protection, an ex they still check on, a friend who's always around, someone in the background who offers attention. It usually reflects uncertainty, not commitment. So instead of fearing competition, focus on this. Are you building something strong enough that neither of you feels the need to look elsewhere? 7. Actions reveal more than words ever will. People say what sounds right, but they act based on what they feel. Someone might say they want stability, but consistently choose chaos. They might say they're over the past, but keep revisiting it. It's not about catching contradictions. It's about paying attention. Because clarity doesn't come from promises, it comes from patterns. 8. Love alone isn't always enough. This is the hardest truth. You can love someone deeply and still lose them. Not because the love wasn't real, but because relationships need more than just love. They need connection, growth, respect, emotional fulfillment. When those things fade, love can still exist, but it may not be enough to stay. That's why you'll hear, "I love you," but something's missing. And as painful as that is, it's honest. The biggest mistake men make is trying to understand women as if they're a puzzle to solve. They're not. They're human, complex, emotional, evolving, just like you. The real shift happens when you stop chasing approval and start building a life that stands on its own, because when you're grounded, aware, and self-respecting, you don't fear losing someone. And ironically, that's what makes people value you more. If this made you think differently, share it with someone who needs it. Because real growth doesn't come from comfort. It comes from seeing things clearly, even when it's uncomfortable.